Here's how to fix games that have disappeared or are not showing up in your Steam library. Start with the simplest check. Go to View at the top of Steam and click Hidden Games. Games can be hidden accidentally, and if yours is in there, simply drag it back to your library. This takes 5 seconds and resolves the issue for many people who spend much longer troubleshooting. If nothing is hidden, clear your Steam download cache. Click Steam, then Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and may require you to log back in. A corrupted cache can prevent Steam from correctly displaying your library contents. Next, click Steam, then check for Steam client updates. Outdated Steam clients have known library display bugs that get fixed in updates. Keeping Steam current is good practice regardless. Go to Settings, then Storage, click the 3 dots next to your library and select Repair Library. This scans your Steam folder for structural issues and repairs them automatically. Finally, go to Settings, then In-Game, and click Delete Web Browser Data. Steam's built-in browser caches data that can interfere with library rendering in some versions. If none of these work, go to Help, then Steam Support. Find the missing game and select It's Not in My Library for guided troubleshooting specific to that title. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.